Chinese regional cuisines. Kung Po or General Tso's chicken are not traditional Chinese foods actually. If you also know of Panda Express, then I feel very bad for you. Chinese food is vast and varied. Thankfully, those ones mentioned above are limited to North America mostly, because there are far better foods out there. Regional specialties are key, and if you want the best ones here, now we'll tell you which ones you should go out and search for. Here are 3 types of foods. Most likely if you go out for Chinese food somewhat often, you might have heard of Sichuan Chinese style food. This style comes from Chengdu or Chongqing, and its trademark is the spicy, sour, strong smelling flavor that comes from heavy usage of the Sichuan pepper and chili oil. Dishes are primarily made by stir frying and steaming. And seriously here guys, if you like spicy food, then this is the one thing you should really try. It's often mouth-numbing, and aside from using lots of chili, it's common to use garlic and ginger and peanuts as well. Friggin' delicious! Next up is Fujian or Min cuisine. The Mandarin Province is located in southern China, and its diverse landscape is reflected by the combination of seafood and forested type ingredients. Dishes here have a light flavor and have a strong use of umami. There's an old saying from the region: it is not acceptable for a meal to not have soup. And because of this, you will have soup with pretty much every meal that you eat there as well. There is also to be known for drunken dishes, which is because the dish here has been prepared with red wine. The last region we'll talk about today is Jamsil. The Jamsil Province and China's biggest city, Shanghai, have a very high-class cuisine that's usually served at government banquets. What makes it so special, you might ask yourself then? It's the cooking techniques that produce richly aromatic, and they're usually displayed beautifully as well. Their chefs also focus on serving meals that promote health as well. The Yangtze River snakes through the region, providing chefs of all styles an abundance of freshwater fish as well. Other ingredients strictly adhere to the season. This makes sure that the majority of dishes are very, very fresh as well. Now go out and hunt for some Chinese restaurants in your area that might provide the things that we've been talking about in this video. If it's not labeled as one or the other, then please ask us and tell us what their region of choice for food is, and also what you liked as well. Wonderful, thank you very much for watching, and very soon on this channel now we'll have even more Chinese cuisine related videos that we can all enjoy together. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you do, subscribe, and we'll bring everything to you. And bye for now.
My life is pure.
Oh, pure. 忘记歌词了。
I saw an angel. Of that I'm sure. She smiled me on the subway. And she was with another man. But I won't lose her. Sleep all night. 'Cause I have a plan. You sure?
忘记歌词了。